Securing your anchor, a guide to stabilizing your English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English expression, secure one's anchor. This phrase is not just about sailing. It's a powerful metaphor used in various contexts. Whether you're a beginner or advanced English learner, understanding such phrases can add depth to your language skills. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and see some examples in action. Secure one's anchor literally refers to the action of making sure an anchor is firmly attached to the seabed, preventing a ship from drifting away. This action is crucial for stability and safety on the water. Metaphorically, it means establishing a stable foundation or finding something reliable to depend on in life or a particular situation. It's about seeking stability and security, much like a ship needs an anchor to stay in place. This phrase is used to describe actions and decisions that provide stability and security in various aspects of life, including emotional, financial, and professional realms. For example, emotionally, finding a hobby that keeps you grounded during stressful times can be seen as securing your emotional anchor. Financially, investing in a savings plan could be a way to secure your financial anchor. Professionally, gaining a certification or degree to advance your career might be likened to securing your professional anchor. To help you better understand how to use secure one's anchor, let's look at some sentences. After years of uncertainty, she finally secured her anchor by purchasing her own home. He decided to secure his anchor by marrying his longtime partner, ensuring emotional stability in his life. The company secured its anchor by diversifying its investments, protecting it against market volatility. Securing your anchor is crucial for navigating the unpredictable seas of life. It symbolizes the importance of having a solid foundation, something that keeps you grounded during storms. Understanding and applying this concept can lead to more deliberate and thoughtful decisions, both personally and professionally. We hope this exploration of the phrase, secure one's anchor, has been enlightening. English is full of such metaphors that enrich conversation and writing, making it a vibrant and dynamic language. Remember, securing your anchor in learning English, like in life, provides you with stability and confidence to face challenges. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has helped anchor your understanding of this fascinating phrase. See you in the next one.